Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the new Huda Beauty Not Your Mama Pantyhose. That name is really funny. Anyway, it's a body glow and highlighter, and it's like all in one product. So I'm going to share my thoughts about them with you guys. So the first thing first, I'm going to show you guys what the packaging looks like. This is what the packaging that was sent to me looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. So the first product in the box is the shade Aurora, which looks like so. Aurora is like a very deep golden tone, highlighter or body glow you call it. It's really, it has that deep golden tone to it. And the most interesting thing that I really like about this product, immediately I opened it, was the packaging, guys. The packaging is really cute. I like the fact that it's very transparent, so you'll be able to see how much product you have left. The packaging is very lightweight, which makes it even more travel friendly. I'm just going to swatch that for you guys again. I've actually swatched them for you guys in the video, on my face, but obviously you guys might want to see it, live and direct on what it looks like on my skin. Look at that, that's like one pump. I really like the consistency of the product. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, and it's just on the perfect side. It has a very good consistency, which I really like about it. This is the shade Aurora. So that's what Aurora looks like. So I'm just going to swatch the next one for you guys. This is what Aphrodite looks like. Aphrodite, for me, in my opinion, is the perfect match for me. So Aurora is, wow, it covered the eyeliner that was at the back of my hand. If you guys noticed when I swatched the first one, it covered it so perfectly. Like, you can't even tell I had an eyeliner on that hand before. So this is Aphrodite. But let me know what you guys think, which one you think would be the perfect match for me. I can, get away with using any of the three shades, but I'll go into details about that with you guys later. So let me just swatch the third one for you, which is called Luna. Luna is the lightest shade out of the three. Of the consistency of this, it's so creamy, not too thick, not too thin or runny. So it's just the perfect shade. It's just the perfect consistency in my opinion. Look at that, guys. Look at that glow. Look at that. And you know what, yeah, immediately I received this product, I couldn't help myself but swatch the shade Aurora that I used earlier. I had it at the back of my hand. I had my shower just to make this video for you guys, and it was still there, guys. It was still staying there. Swatches of the three shades so far. So that's what the shades looks like on me. I could mix the lightest shade in my foundation or any of the three shades of my foundation for that extra glow. My skin tone, or a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, then I would recommend you go for the shade Aphrodite. Not everyone would want to buy three of them, so I would recommend you get this shade Aphrodite. So the next product in the box is this brush right here. It's called Body Blur and Glow. This is what the brush looks like, guys. I'm just going to give you the tea about this brush straight away, guys. Look at the bristles. The bristles are really soft. It felt like an HD kind of brush. I like the bristle of the brush. Look at that. It's very soft. It has that HD kind of feels. Look at that. I'm just going to use that to blend the shade on the back of my hand, and you can tell how soft and how well the brush blend it into my skin effortlessly. Look at that. Look at that. I really like the brush that came with it, so I'll definitely recommend, if you can afford it, then feel free to get this brush. Like, seriously, it blends the product into my skin effortlessly. Like, you can feel how soft it is on my skin. I don't know if it's just me, but if you can afford the three, it's fine, all well and good. But if you think, well, you can't afford the three but you actually want one, but you are in my skin tone, then I would definitely recommend the Aphrodite. And also, another thing that I noticed about this brush is the fact that the shape of the brush is like, I don't know, I would say like slant. I think slants, I'll call it slants. Look at that, guys. Makes it easier for me to use it to blend the products all over my body without having to, worry about going back again. It's just like the perfect match for the products, in my opinion, guys. when the product is out, feel free to go and check it out yourself, but in my opinion, I think the brush is a perfect match for the product, especially based on the fact that the bristles are really soft, and you know, it feels like, I don't know if you guys have 3D or HD brush before. This is giving me that feeling right here. This brush right here is giving me that feeling of the HD brush or 3D brush. If you have one, then you know what I'm talking about when it comes to this brush. And I also like the cute rose gold, you know, feel to the body. It's quite cute. I like that. If you can get the brush with it, then that's fine, because the brush goes well with the product. But if you can't, all well and good, you can use your what's it called, beauty blender, or any product, or any brush you've got to apply the product. But I'll definitely recommend you get it if you can afford it. The content in the packaging would last you for like a year or more, because a little goes a long way, guys. A little goes a long way. You can do with, I actually use 1.5 pump to achieve all this glow, all over glow on me. Just 1.5 pump to achieve all this glow. So you can imagine how many pumps you get from this bottle and how long it's going to last you. So it's definitely value for money in my opinion. It has like that flawless blurring effect to it. Maybe it's just me, maybe not so good. I really like the glow that I'm getting from it. Look at that. And come to think of it, if you can afford the 3, you can use the 3 anyhow you like. You can mix it with your foundation for that extra glow. You can apply it as a primer, which I showed you guys earlier, and you can also apply it as an highlighter, which obviously it is, and you can apply it all over your body. So it's like all-in-one product for glow in my opinion, which I really like. And also you can apply it on your lids as an eyeshadow, so it's like a no-brainer. It's like an all-in-one product. So it's also lightweight, so it makes it even more travel friendly. So that's my thoughts about the Huda Beauty Not Your Mama pantyhose. I really like it, and I like the fact that the packaging is travel friendly, and there is a lot of products in the packaging which is going to last you a very long time, and also a little goes a long way, so you don't need to apply a lot. So that's another thing I really like. And I also, which is the most important thing, because when I see highlighters, I'm always very scared that do they have glitter particles or not. This does not have any glitter particles to it at all, so you are in for a treat with this one. Look at that. There is no glitter particle whatsoever, and there is no explaining, because there are some highlighters that are liquid highlighters that you use them, and you know, when people see you, they see shine. Well, with this one, when they see you, they see glow, which I really like. That's my thoughts so far. I'll just keep going on and never stop. I really like it, and I'll definitely recommend that you guys check it out when it's out. I'll leave the details in the description box below. My thoughts about the Huda Beauty Not Your Mama pantyhose. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please feel free to comment down what you think about it so far, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.